All right, guys, so we just finished up the full satin PPF coating, interior coating, wheels off coating, full boat. Let me walk you through it. So this is a 2025 Red Mist Metallic C8, Z06, Z07 package, carbon fiber wheels, full crazy interior. We're going to go through all of this right now. So the entire body got all the emblems and badging removed. We did a full Lumar satin or matte PPF to all of the Red Mist body parts. All of the carbon gloss and carbon flash body parts got the Lumar Platinum film, which is a super high gloss finish PPF. And as you can see, on a C8 Z06 especially, the body lines and panels are way more pronounced when you have a satin or matte PPF on it. And then of course, after install, we installed our Underdog ceramic coating. We pulled the wheels off, coated the inner barrel, which on these wheels, that white part is actually a very porous and textured ceramic material. Clean that as much as we possibly can. Those things get really dirty. And then coated that as well as the face, the inner face, and the outer wall of the wheel. Wheels and calipers get coated when we do a wheels off coating package. Then on the interior, the client was adamant about protecting the interior because he did a Alcantara and full leather interior. So a lot of this interior is Alcantara, headliner, pillars. The dash is all leather, but the underneath knee bolster area is all Alcantara. Inner door card, Alcantara, leather. So we treated all of the interior with our leather lock, which makes the leather really soft and supple, smells amazing. And then we also treated the Alcantara with a special leather lock as well. It just helps keep it nice and supple, soft and smooth. Where if you do get any stains, it is a lot easier to remove, with it being that tan cashmere color. But I'm going to roll it outside. We'll get it in the sun. This thing came out incredible. Just like, look at that hood. It just looks like a stealth fighter. And then as far as like install, look at how tight the tolerances are. Absolutely amazing install. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, here it is in all its glory. Getting its first sun. Look how beautiful this metallic comes out. Looks incredible. much more pronounced the body lines are. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Now remember, if you're looking for anything paint correction, paint protection, window tint, ceramic coating, detailing, hit me up on my cell phone. It's 806-392-8436. We're right here in Frisco, Texas, the Detail app. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.